In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elastic SIP Trunk in Twilio. By the end, you'll have a new trunk set up in the Twilio console and ready for configuration with your PBX or SBC. An Elastic SIP Trunk is Twilio's scalable way to connect your telephony platform to the public phone network and Twilio's voice services. Start by opening the Twilio console in your web browser and sign in to your account to reach the main dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation and select Voice. This is where Twilio groups its calling capabilities, and it's the doorway to SIP trunking. On the Voice page, click Overview. This view provides a high-level menu with quick links you'll use. Toward the bottom of the overview screen, choose Elastic SIP Trunking. If you don't see it immediately, simply scroll down. It's listed with other voice infrastructure tools. This takes you into the SIP trunking area of the console. Click Get Started to launch the onboarding flow. Next, select Manage SIP Trunks to open the list of trunks associated with your account. Here, click Create New SIP Trunk. Twilio will open a form where you define the trunk. Type a clear, descriptive name for your SIP trunk. Choose something meaningful, such as the site or region it serves, the environment like production or staging, or the PBX it connects to, so you can recognize it easily later. The name is for your internal use in the console and won't be visible to callers. Think of a trunk as a container for your voice connectivity. It holds your routing, authentication, and media preferences. Before saving, take a moment to tweak the settings on this page so they match your needs. Typical items to review include selecting the region closest to your traffic for lower latency, choosing how you'll authenticate traffic, either with IP access control lists or credential lists, and confirming media and transport options, such as enabling TLS for secure signaling and your preferred codecs. If you're unsure about a particular option, leaving the defaults is completely fine. You can revisit and refine these settings at any time after the trunk is created. When you're satisfied with the name and initial options, click Save. Twilio will provision the trunk and return you to the trunks list, where you'll see your new entry available. From here, you can open it whenever you're ready to add origination and termination details, configure authorized IPs or credentials, and align routing and security with your voice platform's requirements. And that's it. You've created an Elastic SIP Trunk in Twilio and laid the groundwork for reliable, scalable calling.